preparing a ribeye steak for my husband. He is a big fan of Jack and Coke, so I found a recipe for a Jack and Coke steak marinade. So I'm going to do that today. So let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is take a cup of Jack Daniels, pour it in my bowl. One can of Coke. Just so we're clear, my husband does not follow my nutrition plan. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. This is such an easy recipe. 2 tablespoons of honey. Just a little bit. And then my steak is gonna go in, because this is gonna stay overnight until tomorrow night. My Jack and Coke steak, marinated steak, has been marinating now for 24 hours. So now I have to take it out of the bag. And we're going to salt and pepper it. I mixed some salt and pepper already, so we're just going to sprinkle it right on top. First I'm adding some garlic for flavor. And then I'm going to throw my steak in there. Ooh, that's hot. So while that cooks, I'm going to make a drink for my husband. And what pairs the best with a Jack and Coke ribeye? Jack and Coke. So I have my glass full of ice, my Coke, nothing fancy there, and my Jack Daniels. You guys can comment below, do I get a Wife of the Year award for this or what? This is obviously one big piece of steak, so it cooked on each side for 5 minutes, and I'm going to throw it into the oven for 10 minutes to finish cooking. That smells really good. I just pulled my steak out of the oven, and right now I'm going to let it rest for about 5 minutes. What that's going to do is let the juices and the blood inside the steak coagulate, so when I cut into it, they're not going to all run out, because that's where you get all your flavor from. So I'm going to let this rest, hang out, and then we'll cut into it later. Let me know what you think of my new Jack and Coke recipe for my ribeye steak. And if you have any cool recipes you want me to check out, definitely comment down below. Like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later.